Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, we'll cover how to install Photoshop on your PC and how to remove white backgrounds to make images transparent. Let's jump right in. Head to adobe.com/Photoshop and under Creativity and Design, click Help and Support to download Photoshop. Open the installer and sign in with your Adobe ID or create a free account. In Creative Cloud, locate Photoshop under Apps and click Install. In this case, mine is already open, but for you guys who are starting new, you would have to install it and download the program to your system. Photoshop will launch automatically when done. Make sure your system meets Adobe's requirements, like 8 GB of RAM and a few gigabytes of disk space. Enjoy your first launch. Now that Photoshop's installed, let's remove a white background in just a minute. Open your image with a white or solid background in Photoshop. Select the Magic Wand tool and click the white area. Adjust your tolerance. 20 to 30 works quite well. Then hold Shift to extend your selection. Hit Delete or Backspace, then Ctrl and D to deselect the selection. The white background disappears, revealing transparency. If edges are rough, go to Select, then Modify, then Feather. The feather should be 1 to 2 pixels. Finally, save your work as a PNG via file, then export and then export as to preserve transparency. And that's it! You've now installed Photoshop and removed a white background to make your images transparent. Don't forget to like the video, comment below what do you want to learn next, and hit subscribe and hit the bell for more design hacks. See you next time.